amazing.
I just think it's amazing.
I'm going to remember this for the rest of my life.
Hi, my name's Stephanie Woolard and I'm the CEO and founder of 7 Women and Hands-On Development Tours. This week we've had Ivanhoe Girls Grammar School, which is also my old high school, over here in Nepal with us to experience our 10-day cultural immersions. They've been absolutely amazing. They have taken all of the experiences and stepped up to expose themselves to different situations and really grasped everything the tour has to offer. They've learnt different perspectives and, you know, really believe that travel is an incredible education for people, especially around 17, 18, to develop and shape who they are and the values that they have in life. So it's been an absolute honour to have their group here travelling with us in Nepal.
Hi, my name's Mary. I work in student services at Ivanhoe Girls Grammar. The motto that we live by at our school is "Our girls speak for themselves," and I think they've certainly done the school proud. They have contributed to 7 Women. We have brought over iPads and we've done some training. We've done cooking classes with 7 Women. The main purpose of us visiting Nepal is to participate with 7 Women.
I think this has been a brilliant experience for our students. They've gained a new perspective on life. They've realised how grateful they are for what they have at home and opened their eyes to a totally different experience in a different part of the world from what they have seen before. And seeing the girls grow in those experiences has been terrific as a teacher.
I have loved this experience. I feel like I've gained a lot of self-confidence from this tour.
And it's just inspired me to follow what I'm passionate about.
I've had the chance to learn about myself and things that I didn't think I was capable of. I've also had the opportunity to meet women who are so strong and courageous, and I admire them so much and they've inspired me.
I think I've become more considerate as a person, and I feel really privileged that I have what I have. And when I go back to Australia, I'm really gonna keep this mindset.
I've gained so much knowledge about the culture and just worldwide issues.
I just came in with an open mind and I tried to do everything that was offered, and I found it so rewarding. I got a new perspective on life, and I would definitely recommend it to everyone who want to see what they can do in the world.
I would really recommend this to anybody, just to see a whole new country and whole new life compared to what you're used to from home, and just seeing how grateful you are for what you have.
This tour has just been really inspirational, and I would really recommend it to anyone because actually experiencing it and living it is completely different. I'd highly recommend the trip because it just gives you a different perspective on life and allows you to be fully grateful for what you have.
I feel like 7 Women is my home now, a home away from home. So yeah, definitely suggest to everyone else.